friends, I am Srujan. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox my new Boat Watch Term. I am going to unbox and I am going to tell how to connect the smartwatch to the phone. It looks from outside. We have user manual in the box. These are the features given for the watch. Boat. Now I am going to open this box. It's look very nice. I'm going to take this watch out. It looks so nice. Guys, if you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'm going to show the things given by the box. This one is the user manual. If we want to connect this watch to the phone, we have to download an app called ProGear app on our phone, and some other features are also given in the user manual. Now I'm going to on this watch. There is a button. Deeply press this. Wow, it works. It's on like this. These are the apps given. This looks amazing. Brightness. This is the back button only. Now I will show how to connect this watch to the phone, and I will show how to put charging to the phone, to the smartwatch. This is the cable, USB cable. I will open this. Guys, this is the USB cable. This one is to connect to the phone like this. We want to connect this USB cable to the adapter. I will show you. And we have to connect this USB cable to the adapter. If you on the switch, it comes like this, the battery symbol, like this. Now I will show you how to connect this watch to the phone. I will show you how to connect the smartwatch to the phone. Open Play Store and download Boat ProGear app and install it. After completion of downloading the Boat ProGear app, open it. After opening, it shows how to connect to the watch. Turn on your phone Bluetooth. First we have to turn on our Bluetooth. Wake up the Wake up the smart device screen and ensure that it is within 10 meters of our device. We have to on our watch first and ensure that it is nearer 10 meters distance of the phone. If we on the watch and if we on the Bluetooth, we have to agree. It shows our device and touch it and touch confirm bind device. It gives sensor in the watch. If we connect to the watch, if you are male, if you are female, touch anything or birth year, I am setting anything, height, our kgs in laps or kgs, our activity goal. If we have to get a target of 10,000 steps, we have to set how many steps we want to set as a goal. Our sleep goal, weight goal, there are so many categories are there. It comes like this. After setting all things, if we press device, if we on call alert, first we have to, the app will sync the smartwatch. If any call will come to our phone, immediately the watch will notify us. Tick. Dial details. Our watch wallpaper. If we want to set our photo as a wallpaper watch face, we can see this. Click the place, set new wallpaper. If we want to take photo from now, click camera shutter. From album, click album. Like this we want to set all the things. Guys, I like this watch so much. Definitely try this watch. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.